Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This home here is a barn 148 and it's destined for Raglan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a second living area, and it's a very spacious 148 square metres. Before we go inside, I just wanted to point out the outside of this home. This home features western red cedar and linear oblique cladding as standard. The linear boards come in 2 different widths, so in this instance we've staggered the boards in a random kind of fashion, but you can alternate, use an alternating pattern, or you can just use all one width. So really great design versatility there, and of course you can choose other cladding, but this is our standard. Right, let's go inside and have a look. This home is very special and unique to the owners, as it has a number of nostalgic touches and features throughout that we'll see as we go through this video. But one of the main features for the clients is this amazing benchtop here. It's very close to the heart of the owners. He is a retired geologist, so he really wanted this particular piece of stone. Him and his wife wanted it to be the centre of the home and to have all the colours and materials sort of tie in with it. It's actually a natural imported stone, and I don't know if you can see it on video, but it is amazing. It's got amazing vibrancy of colour, and it's just got so much depth to it, so it's quite hard to believe that it's actually a natural stone. Very beautiful. But while we're in the kitchen here, we might as well have a look at the rest of the setup. The 148 model home actually has 2 hallways on either side of the kitchen, but we'll start at this end here. We have a space for the fridge and then cupboards above. Moving along, we've got this beautiful bench top again with the jade finger mosaic tiles. And then above that we've got the 3 sets of cupboards and then 3 sets of soft close drawers below, which is all our standard features. This home has got black appliances, so we've got the range hood here, the hob, and then further along we've got the black microwave and oven. So that just sort of adds a nice sleek sort of contemporary touch as well. Above the appliances here we've got another cupboard and another set of drawers, so there's plenty of storage on this side of the kitchen. And moving along to this side, the island side, this is a standard setup as well, other than the waterfall end on the end here. That is an upgrade, but the rest is standard. We've got the usual bank of drawers here, cutlery drawer at the top. We've got this very stylish black dishwasher. We've got underbench cupboards, twin bins in here in the drawer, and then a cupboard at the end. And then to finish everything off nicely with that little modern accents is this gunmetal grey tap and then the matching sink and a half. So quite beautiful. Okay, beside me here we have the door hiding the scullery. So come on inside and have a look at this. Right, the 148 model actually houses the laundry as well in this space here. So we have the washing machine down the end there. We have the sink, which comes as standard in this model, and then the rest of the scullery is made up with a very good number of open shelving in here. Right, so that's the scullery and kitchen. We'll head now into the rest of the main living area and take a look at that. Okay, another nostalgic touch in here is this timber feature wall. The timber was taken from the family's original beach batch, and they wanted to keep it in its original authentic condition, so no staining or sanding. They even wanted to keep the fingerprints that you might be able to see up there of the family members who built the original home. So that is one very special wall. I believe the leftover timber is also going to be repurposed to create some custom furniture for the house, so that's pretty cool as well. Right, we'll have a look now. Opposite the kitchen we've got the entertainment wall. So normally these entertainment walls would have 3 large floor-to-ceiling storage units and a mix of under bench cupboards and open shelving. But in this case, as you can see, we've got 5 bays of open shelving and then a handful of cupboards underneath. So those open shelves are quite bespoke, but they were intended for the owner's extensive book collection. So down the end here, they've also added a very contemporary looking wood burner, which looks awesome. Don't mind the packaging at the moment. It's been finished off beautifully with the floor to ceiling tiles at the back there as well. So that's a beautiful little alcove. Yeah, and some beautiful tiles in this home. So right, while we're on this side of the house, we'll go around the corner behind the entertainment unit and go and have a look at the second living area. bedrooms 2 and 3 and the main bathroom. Okay, follow me past the entertainment unit into this room here. So this second living area serves as another trip down memory lane for the owners. They wanted to recreate a dark and cosy space that reminded them of a room that they loved as a child. So it's a beautiful dark colour in here, and it's actually quite a good room to have a darker shade in, just because it's going to be used as a TV room or a snug, so it's the perfect place to curl up in and relax. Right, we'll head over to this room over here, our main bathroom. Come on through. So the first thing I notice in here again is this beautiful tiled wall here. On this wall we have a 900mm vanity, an LED surround mirror. Then on the outside wall we have a bath, which isn't actually standard, but it is a very popular addition, particularly in this model. A lot of families like this 4-bedroom home. On the wall here we have the heated towel rail, and then behind me here in the corner we've got a frameless glass shower, which is our standard, with gunmetal grey fittings, though usually they would be chrome. And then to finish that off we've got the toilet in the corner. Right, so that's the main bathroom. Okay, I'm back here in the second living area, and off this room there are 2 really good sized bedrooms. So if you want to follow me into this first one here. Right, so the wardrobes in these bedrooms on this end of the house are 2-bay rather than the 3-bay wardrobes that we'd normally have in most of our floor plans. The window setup in here though is standard. We've got the highlight window that would go above your bed, and then we've got a large sliding window on the outside wall there. The only difference in this home is that they have laminate throughout this area here rather than carpet. Other than that, it's pretty standard. So come on round, follow me into the second living room again, past this TV area. That's a flush box, in case you're wondering what that is for the TV, and then into this bedroom 3. So this has got the same layout and dimensions as the room we've just come from, so don't have to say too much about this one. I'll meet you now though at the other end of the house to have a look at the master bedroom, the ensuite and the 4th and final bedroom. Okay, I'm beside the kitchen here. If you want to just follow me down the short hallway here, and to the left into the ensuite in here. So this is a compact but very stylish little space. We've got the beautiful tiled wall again. We've got a 900 vanity with the LED surround mirror above that. In the corner here we've got your soft close toilet, and then we've got a 1x1 frameless glass shower with the gunmetal grey fittings in the corner there. So that's the ensuite. Come out of here and actually just point out this window here. It's a window with louver, so that just provides a bit of ventilation and natural light into the ensuite. So anyway, come on down to the end of the house here into the master bedroom. So in order to get a 4th bedroom in this home, we've had to compromise a little bit and do away with the master bedroom walk-in wardrobe. Instead we have this 3-bay inbuilt wardrobe, which is still a really good size, as you can see there. So it's a pretty good compromise really to be able to get a 4th bedroom in. Speaking of which, we'll go next door now and take a look at it. Okay, so I'm on the other side of the kitchen now, next to the scullery. If you want to just follow me down the short hallway here, past the back door, and into the 4th and final room of the house. This 4th bedroom has actually been reduced slightly in order to accommodate the larger master bedroom that's on the other side of this wall. But it's still a really good size room at 3.3 by 3.5 metres, so it's still very spacious. The other thing to note in here is the 3-bay wardrobe. We have a 3-bay wardrobe in here rather than the 2-bay wardrobes that you saw in bedroom 2 and 3. So that kind of makes up for a slightly smaller room. Right, so that is the final room of the house. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this uniquely beautiful home. We love the special features and personal touches the clients have put throughout this house, and we can't wait to deliver it to them. As always though, if you're interested in this home or any of our other houses, then please get in touch, give us a call, pop in to see us, or visit our website at elevatehomes.co.nz. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.